Dear student, today I am going to discuss class 10 history first lesson, first war of independence. I have already uploaded one video and there I described about war of independence and political cause. A war depend upon many causes: political cause, social cause, economical cause, those things. So today, socio-religious causes. First one is interference with social customs. Interference with social customs. Second one is apprehension about modern innovations. Policy of racial discrimination. Corruption in administration. Oppression of the poor. Activities of missionaries. Fears regarding Western education. Regarding Western education, taxing religious places, law of property. At first, interference with social customs. Their aim in social custom to improve the condition of people, but Indian people thought different. They thought that Britishers interfering them for converting into their religion. Here, what customs changed by the Britishers? Abolition of sati and remarriage of widow, like that. Then modern innovations, when they introduced telegraph or railway lines in telegraph poles, they thought that it is for hanging them. That's why they were going against Britishers. And racial discrimination, Britishers feel inferior to Indian people. They always prefer their people. In traveling also, Indian peoples were not allowed in their seats. Corruption in administration. Some people who were in administration, they were corrupt. Rich people benefited where poor are exploited, like that. And oppression of the poor, they not provide such type of facilities to the poor. They were not thinking about the welfare of poor. Activities of missionaries, they were thinking about their own religion. They provide all type of facilities to attract their religions. In their ideology, means idol worship, they were against it. So Indian people thought they were going against their tradition. Next is Western education. Western education, Indian cultures that were hampered. Indian people thought that their Sanskrit, Pandit, their profession going down. That's why they were not in favor of Western education. And taxing religious places, they impose tax. That things Indian people going against. And law of property, some Indian people lost their property. That's why they were going against Britishers. Then another, these are socio-religious causes. Economic causes. Economic causes, first one, exploitation of economic resources. Exploitation of economic resources. Drain of wealth. Decay of cottage industry. Economic decline of peasantry. Economic decline of peasantry. Growing unemployment. Inhuman treatment. Inhuman treatment. Poverty and famine. Decline of landed aristocracy. Decline of landed aristocracy. These are the economic causes. Exploitation means they take raw material at cheap rate and sell their product at high cost. Drain of wealth. Our wealth went to their country. They take huge amount of profit. When they sell their products, at that time cottage industry hampered, and they force peasants to grow indigo, which helped them in their factory. Unemployment increase and inhuman treatment. They not treated Indians as human beings, and when poverty and famine comes, they not help them, because they always think about their own profit. Zamindars, they were, if not giving tax to them, their land went to their hand. That's why landed aristocracy also declined. These are the economic causes.